Question 9. Here is a number machine. An input times by 6 plus 7. Find the output when the input is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 7 takes me to 43. Nearly everyone got that one right. Find the output when the input is minus 4. Minus 4 times by 6 will give me minus 24. And then plus 7, remember you're going 7 up. So that takes you to minus 17. Minus 24 plus 7 gives you minus 17. Find the input when the output is 79. We want to reverse this process. 79, I'm going to subtract 7. I'm doing the opposite if I'm trying to find the input. So that takes me to 72. 72, divide by 6, doing the opposite, takes you to, I believe, 13. That's question 9. It's 12? It's 12. Sorry, apologies, 12. Brain freeze. Right, question 10. 400 grams of raspberries and 300 grams of strawberries cost a total of £7.46. 500 grams of strawberries cost £4.10. Work out the cost of 200 grams of raspberries and 200 grams of strawberries. I'm going to start with this piece of information, because that piece of information is going to give me how much strawberries cost. So I'm going to use this information to find out how much 100 grams of strawberries. So 500 grams of strawberries is £4.10. So if I divide by 5, I'll get 100 grams. And if I divide this by 5, it comes to 82p. So I want the cost of 200 grams of raspberries and 200 grams of strawberries. At the moment, I know how much 100 grams is. Now, this is the key thing here. I know that 300 grams of strawberries and 400 grams of raspberries cost £7.46. So if I find 300 grams of strawberries, that's going to be times by 3. So that's going to be £2.46. I'm going to times by 3. So 300 grams of strawberries is £2.46. So let's see how much have I got left over. So if I've got £7.46 and I take away £2.46, the cost of 300 grams of strawberries, I get £5. And I know that £5 is 400 grams of strawberries. Because that's what's left over, sort of raspberries, because that's what's left over. So I can work out how much 200 grams of strawberries is, right? Because that's what I need to work out here. So that's going to be, so it's going to be £2.50 for 200 grams of raspberries. And we already know that it's 82p for 100 grams of strawberries, so it's going to be £1.64 for 200 grams strawberries. And then if we just add these two together, £2.50 plus £1.64, that's the cost of 200 grams of raspberries plus the cost of 200 grams of strawberries, will give me £4.14. Question 11. People did not get this right in general. It's a movement. Now, we've been asked to describe the transformation. Transformations could be reflections, rotations, enlargements, or translations. And you get a mark just for writing the word translation. Okay? The second mark is for the correct vector. So, vectors work by the amount left or right and the amount up or down. Let's take any one point. Let's take that point. 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 1, 2 up. So it's going to be 4, 2. Question 12. This was done pretty well by people. 7 squared take away 2 would give you 49 take away 2, which is 47. When I then times it by 2, I'll get to 94. So most people did get this one correct. This one, you've got to it's got to get to 4. So if I have 16 divided by 8, that would give me 2. And then if I add 2, I get to 4. And again, that was about half people got that one right.